Hi there, motorcycles and cars enthusiast. Happy to see you on the 3D Motorcycles channel. Today let's talk about one of the hardest questions for any motorcyclist, choosing your first motorcycle and finding that perfect match for your riding style. Choosing your first motorcycle is one of the most exciting and most confusing moments for any new rider. There are so many classes, specs and opinions that it's easy to get lost. In this guide, I'll break down the main types of motorcycles and look at them based on multiple lenses: versatility, handling, comfort, power, seat height, safety systems, and price. And even if you already have some experience, this overview will definitely help you make your next bike choice a little better. So let's start from the ultimate question. Why do you even need a motorcycle? The answer often lies right in the class name. If your dream is long-distance touring, a sport bike probably isn't the best idea. But if you're not sure yet, if you simply want to ride and explore, that's where our 7 evaluation points will help you decide. Let's start from street bikes, aka naked bikes. If we're talking about balance and all-round capability, the street motorcycle is the clear winner. They're called naked because they come without body panels or fairings. Everything is exposed and functional. These bikes strike a middle ground in almost every aspect. Comfort. Upright seating position, not too aggressive though not as plush as a cruiser. Handling. Light and responsive, great for urban traffic and twisty roads. Power. Respectable but not overwhelming, tuned for smooth delivery rather than top-end rush. A street motorcycle with an engine size between 400 and 700 cc is ideal for beginners. Make sure it comes with ABS, and if it also offers traction control, riding modes, or a quick shifter, that's a bonus. Seat height varies. For instance, the Honda CB500 has a manageable 760mm seat, while taller models like the Yamaha MT-07 sit closer to 820mm. Prices for modern naked bikes typically range between $6,000 and $12,000, making them an affordable entry point into motorcycling. If you're after something edgier, there's the Street Fighter subclass. High-powered, stripped-down machines like the Ducati Street Fighter V4, BMW M1000R, or Aprilia Tuono 1100. These, however, are best left for experienced riders. Verdict: for a first motorcycle, a naked bike is almost impossible to go wrong with. It's versatile, manageable, and genuinely fun in nearly every situation. As an honorable mention, let's also cover maxi scooters, category in which comfort meets practicality. When it comes to sheer comfort, few two-wheelers can compete with a maxi scooter. Designed for city life and convenience, they offer soft seats, generous wind protection, and under-seat storage that can easily fit a helmet, jacket, or groceries, and if you add a top case, maybe half your wardrobe. You don't have to worry about shifting gears, which makes them perfect for beginners. With their low center of gravity and easy handling, they glide through urban traffic. The Honda Forza 750 or Yamaha T-Max 560 are prime examples, scooters with motorcycle-like performance. Despite their practicality, maxi scooters are often underestimated. A good one can cost around $5,000, $6,000, which is far cheaper than a touring bike, but offers nearly the same level of comfort for city commutes. They won't thrill you with acceleration, but they will make every ride smooth, simple, and stress-free. And that's something every rider can appreciate. Next one, cruisers, low, long, and relaxed. Cruisers are a special and unique philosophy. Their low seat height gives a sense of stability, and their torquey engines deliver smooth, relaxed power at low revs. However, that laid-back design comes with trade-offs. Their long wheelbase and weight make them less agile than other classes. And while the seating position looks comfortable, the forward-set foot pegs and minimal suspension travel mean you'll feel every bump through your lower back. Modern mid-size cruisers like the Kawasaki Vulcan S or Honda Rebel 1100 offer a more forgiving ride, and even come equipped with ABS and traction control. They're excellent for calm weekend rides, but if you crave dynamics or plan to travel long distances, you might quickly outgrow them. Verdict: if cruising and slow, scenic, unhurried is your definition of riding, this class is for you. Now time to look at sport tourers, the class where power meets distance. Sport touring motorcycles combine the best of two worlds, sporty performance with touring comfort. They feature strong engines, advanced electronics, adjustable windshields, and a riding position that lets you cover serious mileage without fatigue. Models like the Yamaha Tracer 9 GT, Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX, and Suzuki GSX S1000 GT are popular choices. These machines come with traction control, riding modes, and even semi-automatic transmissions. However, their tall seat height and higher center of gravity can make them challenging for new riders, especially at low speeds. Once mastered, though, they feel like flying on two wheels, precise, powerful, and capable of devouring highways and mountain passes alike. Prices range from €13,000 to more than €20,000, making them one of the more premium categories. Verdict: not ideal for beginners, but for riders with some experience who want comfort and power in one package. Few bikes can match them. Now, time to talk about adventure bikes, or as others call them, Tour Enduro Adventure or Tour Enduro. Motorcycles are made for those who crave both on-road touring and off-road exploration. They feature long travel suspension, high ground clearance, and dual-purpose tires. Lighter models like the Yamaha Tenere 700, KTM 890 Adventure, or Suzuki V-Strom 800 strike a great balance between agility and comfort. They're tall. Seat heights often exceed 850 millimeters, but their suspension is forgiving, and power delivery is smooth, making them surprisingly beginner-friendly once you get used to the height. The larger big adventure models, BMW R1300 GS, Ducati Multistrada V4, or Triumph Tiger 1200, are the flagships of the segment, offering unmatched touring comfort and cutting-edge technology, but they're expensive and heavy. If you mostly ride in the city, consider swapping the knobby tires for road ones. You'll get better grip and stability on asphalt. Verdict: perfect for riders who dream of long journeys and dirt roads, but still want something capable in daily life. Oh, and remember the obvious yet often overlooked truth: always try before you buy. The smartest way to confirm your choice is to rent the type of motorcycle you're considering. A day or two on the saddle will tell you more than any review ever could. By the way, many rental companies around the world make this really easy, offering well-maintained bikes from all major classes, top-tier gear, and routes for exploring the country. A quality rental shop is one that lets you compare bikes, not just ride whatever's available, and that's exactly what they do. Now let's move to the most important criteria: I want it. As at the end of the day, the most important factor is your heart. You can read all the specs and reviews in the world, but if you don't love how your bike looks, sounds, and feels, it's not the right one. Ignore anyone who says, "That's not an optimal first bike." Motorcycling is about emotion. When you park your bike, walk away, and turn back just to admire it, that's when you know you made the right choice. Even if your first motorcycle isn't perfect, it will be yours, and it will open the door to a lifetime of amazing rides. To close, if you like the video, share your thoughts and stories in the comments, hit the like button, and subscribe to stay up to date with latest exciting releases. See you soon.